Good morning, sir. I am Anamari Bininay, and I'm the first reporter to tackle or to report about inquiry-based teaching strategy. So one of the primary goal or the main goal of kanang social studies in the Philippines is to promote or to develop a critical thinking skills. So for example, si Teacher Kevin kay ang iyang subject nga gandulan is API. So pwede siya nga mo ask og question about like how does history influence current events? So by asking this question, so Teacher Kevin encouraged the students to think critically and make connections between past events and their impact on the society today. There are many teaching strategies. So, kanang pwede mo gamit og kanang group discussion. Pwede mo ang iyong strategy nga gamiton is group discussion, debate baron or kanang conducting a research. So, through kanang conducting a research sad, kay di ba mo gather mo evidence or data. Then inyo nang i-present ang findings ninyo to support your argument. So through these activities like group discussion, debate, conducting a research, kay through this nila kay kanang makahone sila sa inyuhang critical thinking skills. So by consistently using essential question, because inquiry based man gyud is you're looking for information by means of question. So if you are kanang using it consistently, you're using essential question in the classroom consistently, mas maka-promote ang isa ka teacher maka-promote siya meaningful learning experience and foster a culture of critical thinking skills among his or her learners.
What is inquiry? For us, kay ang inquiry kay pagpangutan naman, di ba? So karon akong topic kay about inquiry. The inquiry means asking questions to learn. It's important in our community from when we are young to when we are grown up. In social studies education, people often forget how important inquiry is. Therefore, the teacher should help students by using ways to bring out what they know it can do. Reflecting is when students think and look at different sides of things. The generalization is when students make their own ideas. Moreover, teachers need to fix any wrong ideas to keep students feeling good about themselves. When students use inquiry, they get better at thinking. Teachers should use simple words in ways that everyone can understand.
So, I'm Nikisha Almazon. So, ako part nga koan is the inquiry process. So, the first is pause real questions. So pasabot sa pause real question kay dapat dapat nimo mahibawon unsay mo ganahan mahibawon ana nga specific topic. So, second is find resources. So, para mahibaw nimo unsay mo ganahan ana nga specific nga topic, mangita kag mga resources, for example, books or newspapers na related ana nga topic. So, third is interpret information. How is this relevant to my question? What part support my answer? So, mao na mga question under sa interpret information. So, 4 is report findings. So, what is my main imo mahibaw-an ani unsay main point ani nga topic, unsay dapat ganahan i-deliver ani nga topic, then imo dapat mahibaw-an who is my audience. So, kini nga model, ang role ani sa teacher kay mo facilitate ra siya sa mga student. So meaning kanang ang mga student ani kay kanang dapat ang student mismo makahibaw sa solution sa problem. So sila po'y mo judge the inquiry events o ang teacher mo reply ra na siya sa kuan sa learning sa student para iya ma augment ang learning. So kanang kini pod nga model kay mo support pod ni siya sa learners importance ani nga kanang inquiry process. So kanang ma-simplify po niya ang mga problems and also ma-identify po nila ang question sa topic and sa mga other regarding with that questions.
Questioning technique. So, ang questioning technique kay usa na sa strategy sa mga maestra kung unsa ilang gamito na technique para ang ilang question dali ra matubag sa bata or sa usa ka estudyante. According to Gerson 2014, there have different questioning techniques kuno. First kay ang might questions. Kanang ang might question kuno kay their answer may not be correct but their explanation might put all things right. So including na silang experience. So nay pangutana na pwede para sa ilaha kay sakto pero para sa uban dili. Mao na siya ang might questions. So ang B, what if question. So nakadepende na sa imong kaugalingon. Like for example is kanang idea or nakay kanang pangutana what if na sila di ba? What if kanang kanida kanang mao ni sakto pero ako di sayop na sa imong kaugalingon mismo. Difference role question. So ang kanang difference role questions is lain pangutana. Like for example, pwede sa nimo makonek or mangutana ka na pwede nimo makonek into real world. For example, if ever ikaw nasa sitwasyon niya na mainana ka nya kuno nimo siya, di ba? So makaingon kasi makagalingon based in the real life mao ni si tinuod jud na mahitabo reality versus expectations. Mao na, for example kan na kay questions na pwede nimo mapangutan sa mga estudyante which is kanang maingon pud niya na according to my situation ma'am kanang di ba makonect niya sa real world. So mao na siya na matawag nimo siya different real questions. D. Socratic questioning. This question style combines all affirmations form of questioning. So, ang kaning Socrates kay which is kanang daghan kag pangutana pero dili ang itubag sa usa ka tawo kay dili enough ang yang tubag para masatisfy ka ng tubaga. Nya napad kay lain gi pangutana na di jud nila matubag so magsige pa jud kag pangutana. Mao na siya. Socratic questionings na divided siya into 4 types. So, first is gadfly questions. Ang maestra gani makapangutana sa usa ka estudyante, free siya makapangutana sa estudyante. Second is Stingray question. Ang Stingray questions kay kanang lead to sudden change in the course of questions. For example, kanang you said love is the answer. Will you love change the situation of your for? Nakay pangutana pero kanang which is imong answer pero gipangutana pa jud ka para masatisfy siya. Midway questions. Kani siya kay nag-question ang maestra nimo pero nakay answer nya ang maestra mangutana pa jud na kanang dili si satisfy sa imong answer ba mangutana pa jud sure kanang career elaborate your answer further. So need pa nimo i-express or i-expound imong answer para masabtan jud sa imong teacher ang imong hangtod. Ang ikaupat is a ignoramus question. Ignoramus kay kanang wa jud siya kasabot as in kanang dapat pa niya dapat pa siya mangutana para masabtan nimo. Dapat pa nimo tubagon iyang pangutana para masabtan sad niya. Mao na siya ignoramus questions. Mangutana ka kay wa ka kabalo. Ya, di wa kasabot mas giusaon. So, mao na siya ang ignoramus questions. Lain na siya sa midwife questions.
So, before na mo i-end ang topic is, I will share to you unsa may importance aning inquiry process. So, ang importance ani niya is makatabang siya sa mga students to be self-directed and lifelong learners. And also, in this process, maka-pose sila thoughtful questions, maka-learn sila unsaon pag kanang formulate solutions sa mga problems. And that would be all. Thank you.